Okay, so now divide it into two. You got it, good. So to the right to be a sharp sign, the left to be a flat sign.
All right.
Because the key is identified by sharps or flats. Good. Now the top here, what will you put there? What do you
I can't really
see?
see.
C has no sharps or no flats. So put a C here. Just C at the top. Uppercase,
Like
okay? Yes. Beautiful. And then under C, put a 0 there. That means that C has no sharps and it has no flats. It's just 0. You know how the key is a natural key? Wonderful. Are you done?
Yeah, I put the C in the 0.
Good. Now let's count. Can I see your fingers like this? Before we count, what do you see? It says what? Circle of what?
I'm sorry, say it one more time.
It says circle of what? What do you have in your, what did you write for me? Circle of.
Oh, circle of fifth.
Good. So all the notes are in an interval of a fifth. Okay. So that means that from C to 5 will be G, G to 5 will be A to 5 will be, I'm sorry, G to 5 will be D, D to 5 will be A to 5 and on to the E, B and all that, okay? So let's count from C up to 5 and come on. So watch me do this. C, D, E, F, and
G.
So put an arrow there and put your G there.
An F and the
No,
what?
an arrow. Put an arrow. So one more time. Where do we count from? Tell me where do we count from? You tell me.
Circle of fifth.
No, where did we count the notes from when we ended on G?
5. C.
No, C, good. So put an arrow from C. Let it point towards G. Good. It's going away from C to G. Good. So C to G is the fifth, right? We are doing the circle.
Do I put? So 1 second. Do I put like this?
Yes, put an arrow and put a G there. Yes, like that. Just like mine. Yep.
All right, I'll put a G.
Good. G, because we count the C away to G. And
So
put the number.
G.
Uppercase G. Yes. Wonderful. No. Yes.
Now
that's
I put a
it.
D.
No, don't write first. What we count, let's count. Let's see how we got there. Now put number 1 here. Oh, oh, this is G. I'm sorry, I'm touching the wrong thing.
I put number 1.
1 for G, and you kept quiet. You didn't tell me anything. You see, I'm seeing the other way. You see, now I can see it properly. Yes. So number 1 is G. G has only 1 sharp. Okay. That's how you identify it. I showed you this book. I told you to find a key. Look at, you see, look at the very beginning of the stack. See that? How many sharps do you see here?
3.
No,
2.
Look at it. 2.
2.
2. We'll find a key. Now count from G up to 5 and tell me what note you get.
G, A, B, C, D.
Good job. Some people count from, they say D, they'll say, watch me, they'll say G, A, B, C, D, E. That's wrong. G, you start on the note. You
start on G.
Wonderful.
A, B, C, D.
So put D there. Put an arrow like I did and put a D for the next one. Like mine. See mine? Put an arrow and put your D there. So that means D has how many sharps now?
2.
2. And that was the key I just showed you right now. See this key? You see 2 sharps?
Yeah, 2 sharps.
So what key is this song in?
D.
D. That's all. That's it. So let me see yours. Good. Now let's keep going. Let's count faster. Don't kill the mood. Keep moving. Let's count from D now.
1 second. Let me exit of the chat because I can't really see.
Oh, okay.
There we go. So count from D. D, E, F, G,
And then
A.
beautiful job. Show A there. Wonderful. So A has how many shops?
3.
And did I show you in the beginning the book with that? Did I show you?
Yes.
Or you
I had 3
already
shirts.
forgotten? Look at it. Let me show you again, okay? And where do you find these key signatures? Where do you find them? At the beginning of the staff.
Beginning.
You see that this is the staff.
Oh.
So when you look here, you find your key signature, your key sign. What sign am I? I'm seeing 3 shops. That's A. Okay.
Okay. Do you want me to put an arrow for A?
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So we are doing the circle of fifth. We're identifying keys with their signatures. They're going to tell us what to play, what shops to use, what flats to use, how many do we need? Okay. Good job. Now keep going. Let's count.
A, B, C, D, E.
Put it there. And don't make the arrow too long because we still have a few more keys to add. We need 7 keys. So you're at number 4 now. So you need 3 more arrows, okay? It's going to be hanging on the side. You don't want that. Okay. What do you have now? E. So now
E
has 4 shops. I want us to stop on this one, okay? You have to do the rest. Tell me how you're going to do it. You're going to count them. From E up to 5 is going to be B. And then B, keep going up, it's going to be C. I'm sorry, it's going to be F. And we call that one F sharp. But that's what I want to do with you when we're counting. And then we'll have the last one will be C sharp. That'll be the last one. Okay, 7 of them, 7 sharps, okay? Okay. Any questions on this?
Can I check with you?
Huh?
Can I check with you just in case because I'm not going to be able. Okay. E, D.
No, E, F. Don't go back. We're going to the right.
E,
for sharps.
F, G, A, B.
Good. Put your B there. Always go to the right for the sharps, okay? The flats, you go backwards.
That's 5, right?
Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm.
All right. B.
2 more. Mm-hmm. B, C.
B, C, D, E, F.
Put your F there, but it's called F sharp. So I'm gonna send it to what it looks like. Looks like this. F and like this. It's called F sharp.
That's 6, right?
Yes. Now the last one. One more, then that's it.
F, G, A, B, C. What is that supposed to look like?
It's going to be C sharp. It can't be C because C
Do I
has
put it
no, like this.
Do I put it in the middle of the line?
Just let it where the arrow is facing it. That's all. Look how mine looks like. It's just the same thing. See number 7. Look at mine. You see them?
Yeah.
So it's called F sharp. It's called C sharp. You cannot say it's not C. You know why? It carries 7 good sharps. You see that? You can't call it C. You can call the one at the top C because it has no sharps or flats. Got it?
Yes.
And also, the other one is called F sharp because it has 7 sharps. There is a key that has 1 flat. We're going to get it, but not today, okay? So, any questions on? Okay, let me see. That's good. If you can read it, because your pen, because you use pen, it all stuck some together and some are, see why I say don't use pen. So any questions on this, tell me.
Nope.
You sure? So what did we talk about today?
We talked about the circle of fifth, which is key signatures.
What is a key signature? What are key signatures? They tell you
Sharps and flats.
Why? That they help you identify a key by the
To
number of
identify a
sharps,
key.
by the number of sharps or flats. They may have one
Can
sharp, they may have two sharps, they may have three sharps, they may have four sharps.
Sharps.
If it's one sharp, what key would that be?
G.
One sharp.
G sharp.
No, it's just G, not G sharp.
G.
G. It's only F sharp and C sharp. The last two keys that has 6 sharps and 7 sharps. What key has 3 sharps?
Wait, I'm confused. So you're saying that this is only G, not sharp?
No.
So I'm gonna X that out then, the sharp.
Why do you put it there? I never said you put it there. I don't think, no. Because listen, if you said G sharp, only the last two ones, the last two, 6 and 7.
Only 7 and 6?
That's it. So as we are building on our keys, you understand why. If I explain to you now, you're gonna get confused the more. So just leave F sharp and C sharp the way they are. Good job. Good. So did you write C sharp like mine?
Yeah.
And then F sharp?
Yes.
Good. So just understand that the 6th one, which is called F sharp and C sharp. They have 6 and 7 sharps each. And I know you understand, if I tell you a key has 7 sharps, will you call it C?
Nope, C sharp.
Yes. What will you call C? The one that has no sharps or no flats. It's just called C, it's just a natural C. So understand that for now to move on, that only the one with the 6 sharps and 7 sharps are called C sharp and F sharp, not the other ones. Those are all natural, these are all keys just the way they are. They have sharps, but you don't call them G sharp or A sharp or whatever. No. When you do that, you're going into enharmonic tones like G sharp, same as also G sharp, same as A flat. We're not going there. So don't confuse yourself. Understand that this is a circle of fifth. There are 7 keys for the sharps. Okay.
And only the last 2 keys are sharps.
Because they have 7 and 6 sharps. Is the rest just the way they are. When we go to the flats and we start playing our songs and keys, you understand it better. So just for today, memorize your keys. C has no sharp or no flat. C comes first. Next we have G. From G, C to G is a fifth, and that's going to be G. From G to A is a fifth. A. So I'm G to. Oh my God, I'm going this way. C to G is a fifth. G to D is a fifth. D to A is a fifth. A to B is a fifth. B to. Tell me.
Oh, B to
F sharp. F sharp. And then F sharp to what? Is a fifth. And F sharp to C sharp is a fifth. Now, if you count from C again, from this C up to 5, tell me what you got. From this C. Pretend we're going on, From C. No, from C, D, C. We're going
C, D, E, F, G.
So we are back to G. So let's stop here. You got it now? We cannot, if you keep on going, we're going to go back in circles. You are seeing now under 5 again, back to G. So let's stop here. Does it make sense to you or not? Does it make sense?
Yes.
One more time. I don't think it does. Now we stop on C. You see the C sharp there? Let's count under 5 from C and tell me what you get.
C, D, C, D, E, F, G.
Good. We are back to G. We are back to G and that G. So do you need another G on the circle of fifth again?
All right, so we're doing the other side.
No, I'm asking a question. Do we
Oh.
need another G again? Circle of fifth again? Keep going in circles.
Oh, G.
No, I'm asking you that. When you stop here, I'm asking why do we stop here? If we count
because
again,
it's a seventh.
No. I want you to pay attention. You're on C now. Now count from C up to 5 and tell me what you get. What did you get?
G.
G. Okay. Now from G again, count from G again. What will you get? D. It will start all over again. So let's stop on C.
D.
Does that make sense?
Yes.
That's why we stop here. I wish you asked me why, but you didn't even ask me why we stop on C. You didn't ask me. You're like, okay, well, let's stop.
It makes sense to stop on C.
Yeah, that's because if you keep going, you're going to go to G, back to D, back to A. We don't want that. So let's stop. Wonderful. So any questions now? Great job, okay? Circular fifth, it helps you identify keys by the number of sharps or flats. Okay, wonderful.